NASA scientists have made history, as Voyager 1, the first man-made object to reach interstellar space, continues to confound expectations, sending back data that has altered our understanding of the cosmos. For nearly half a century, this small spacecraft has ventured beyond the confines of our solar system, becoming our faithful ambassador to the vast unknown. Yet, as it journeys deeper into the heart of space, something unexpected occurred, an anomaly, a mystery that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The year 2013 marked a milestone in space exploration. Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, 15 billion miles away from Earth. But the journey didn't stop there. Just a few years ago, in the early 2010s, the space probe IX, another part of NASA's deep space exploration efforts, began to notice strange fluctuations in energy particles on the side facing the Sun. These unusual shifts raised eyebrows, but it was when scientists dug deeper that they found something even stranger. The boundary of our solar system, the heliopause, wasn't behaving as expected. Models predicted one thing, but reality told a very different story. The edge of our solar system seemed to be shifting, pulsing, and even breathing. Scientists were stunned, unsure how to interpret the data. As more probes were launched, a new layer of mystery emerged. Voyager 1, alongside Voyager 2, another spacecraft launched at the same time, made significant discoveries in 2012 and 2018, but their data didn't match. Why? What was going on at the boundary of our solar system? Was the heliopause shifting, or was there something deeper at play, something we hadn't yet anticipated? This enigma only deepened when, in May 2023, Voyager 1 transmitted an unexpected message that left scientists frozen in disbelief. The spacecraft's system responsible for its health updates, known as AC, began to malfunction. Instead of the usual steady stream of diagnostics, it transmitted jumbled data, as if it had forgotten how to communicate altogether. Oddly enough, all of Voyager's other systems appeared to be functioning perfectly. It was as though the spacecraft had suddenly spoken in a language no one could understand, yet it continued to perform its duties as if nothing had changed. NASA quickly sprang into action, calling an emergency meeting to investigate the anomaly. How could this happen? What had triggered it? After all, Voyager was operating far beyond the reach of human intervention, in the cold void of interstellar space, where no one had ever traveled before. After some intense troubleshooting, NASA engineers sent a command to Voyager to switch back to the correct computer system. Just like that, the gibberish stopped. But the real question remained, what had caused the problem in the first place? Was it cosmic rays bombarding the spacecraft's delicate electronics, or perhaps an internal malfunction in its aged systems? Or, more unsettlingly, could something from deep space be trying to interfere with its communication? Susan Dodd, the project manager overseeing the Voyager mission, emphasized that this wasn't just a random glitch. This was something far more significant. Voyager 1 had already exceeded its expected lifespan by decades, continuing to transmit valuable data even as the power from its plutonium fuel dwindled. And yet, this strange anomaly had caused scientists to rethink the very nature of space itself. It wasn't just about the spacecraft's systems, it was about the unknown forces that could be at play out there in the deep recesses of space. Voyager 1, now in interstellar space, is no longer protected by the Sun's magnetic field. It's exposed to the harshest conditions, where high-energy cosmic rays bombard it non-stop. These rays could be corrupting its systems, or perhaps, just maybe, something even stranger was happening. Could Voyager 1 have encountered something out there that we, as humans, cannot yet comprehend? Could deep space be playing tricks on us in ways that defy our understanding? This mystery also highlights the unique challenges that come with deep space exploration. Even though the spacecraft's systems have aged far beyond expectations, its continued success is nothing short of remarkable. Every decision made by NASA engineers has been a balancing act, shutting down non-essential systems to conserve power as the spacecraft travels ever farther into the unknown. But even more astonishing is how its 5 science instruments, originally designed to operate in a much warmer environment, continue to perform in the freezing void of space, revealing data that no one thought possible. In addition to the stunning longevity of Voyager 1, it has also made groundbreaking discoveries, such as detecting a faint humming sound from the depths of interstellar space. This sound is actually a vibration caused by interstellar gas particles, offering an eerie glimpse into a region of space that is largely invisible to us. This discovery is just one example of how Voyager 1 has reshaped our understanding of the universe, painting a far more complex picture than anyone ever expected. Since the launch of the Voyager missions, nearly 5 decades ago, they have provided humanity with insights that no other spacecraft could. While the probes were initially designed to explore the gas giants of Jupiter and Saturn, their mission quickly expanded. The data they've returned has fundamentally altered our conception of the solar system, revealing just how dynamic and unpredictable our cosmic environment can be. Yet, despite all its triumphs, Voyager 1 also continues to hint at the existence of something more. The data it sends back, from mysterious changes in the heliopause to unexplained anomalies within its systems, suggests that there is far more to deep space than we realize. Perhaps the most compelling question of all is whether humanity truly understands what lies beyond the sun's influence. We may have thought we knew, but Voyager's ongoing journey is beginning to suggest that the true nature of the universe is far stranger, and more chaotic, than we could ever have imagined. As Voyager 1 races through the void, its mission is evolving. What was once a mission to explore the outer reaches of our solar system is now a mission to uncover the true mysteries of the interstellar medium. The boundary between the solar system and interstellar space is no longer a clear, well-defined line. Instead, scientists now understand that this cosmic frontier is far more fluid and dynamic than anyone ever imagined, shifting and changing as the sun's influence wanes. With this new understanding, scientists are trying to develop models to explain the movement of the heliopause, how it changes shape, how it responds to cosmic forces, and what its shifting boundaries might reveal about the larger universe. Some theorize that the shape of the heliopause is constantly shifting like a cosmic membrane, pulled and stretched by the competing forces of the solar wind and the interstellar medium. For decades, the Voyager probes have been humanity's primary tool for exploring the vastness of space beyond our solar system. Through their data, we have gained unprecedented insights into the nature of the sun's influence and the nature of the interstellar environment. But as Voyager 1 continues to push further into the unknown, it raises even more pressing questions. What is out there in the dark void of space? What new discoveries, and perhaps even threats, await us as we explore the furthest reaches of our universe? In the end, the Voyager missions may not just redefine our understanding of space, they may change how we view our place in the cosmos. As we listen to their fading whispers, we're left with a profound sense of wonder, and a renewed sense of urgency to uncover the mysteries that lie beyond our sun's light. These spacecraft, though far from home, are humanity's first true explorers of the vast, inhospitable regions beyond our solar system. What they discover next could fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe and, ultimately, our place in it. The Voyagers are not just